Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix controller or gamepad not working in Sonic Racing CrossWorlds game. So let's jump to the fixes. The first solution is to enable disable Steam input. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Sonic Racing CrossWorlds game and then click on properties. Go to the controller tab and here select the disable Steam input first and then restart the game because changing require restart of the game, and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the game properties, go to the controller tab and this time select enable Steam input and then again restart the game, and after restarting the game check if the controller or gamepad is working or not. Next solution is to press the Alt plus Enter keys. So try pressing the Alt plus Enter keys on your keyboard. This simple trick can sometimes help to fix the problem. Now check if controller is working in Sonic Racing CrossWorlds or not. Solution 3 is to disable third-party game controllers and unplug additional peripherals. So other software on PC like third-party game controllers or any plugged peripherals such as phone, camera, USB devices, pen drive, mouse, keyboard or additional controllers might conflict with the game. So remove such peripherals and then launch the game and check if it fixes the problem or not. Solution 4 is to check if controller is properly connected. So check and make sure that your controller is connected properly to your PC or not. Wireless controller, check if it is paired correctly, and wired controller, try plugging it into different ports and check. You can also test your controllers on different systems to identify the issue. Solution 5 is to verify the integrity of game files. Open Steam, go to library, right click on Sonic Racing CrossWorlds game and then click on properties. Then go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files and then check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to use a wired controller. This is an alternative option. Maybe game have some bugs or glitches at present and your wireless controller is not working. So if you have a wired controller, then connect it and then play the game as of now. And the last solution is to simply restart Steam or restart your PC. So simply restart your Steam and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then just restart your PC and then launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve controller or gamepad not working in Sonic Racing CrossWorlds game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.